Welcome, Chisholm Trail 61. Today, our dish was created by Chicken Charlie. And Chicken Charlie also created things like the deep fried peanut butter sandwich, the deep fried butter, and even deep fried watermelon. Go figure. But none of them compare to the Carnival staple we're going to do today. And that's deep fried Oreos. And I'm going to show you how to do them coming up right now. Okay, our ingredients that we're going to need for our deep fried Oreos. You can use any type of pancake mix. We got 1 cup of pancake mix, 2/3 cup of milk. We got 1 egg, and we're going to use a teaspoon and a half of vegetable oil. Now I'm going to mix my wet ingredients first. I'm going to pour my 2/3 cup of milk in. I'm going to put my 1 egg in, and then I'm going to do a teaspoon and a half of vegetable oil. We're just going to pour out a teaspoon and a half here. I'm going to throw him over there in the sink. We're going to beat our egg in there, get it broke up good. Sort of stirred up, mixed up in there. Then we're going to add our pancake mix. And what we want to do is just keep mixing here until we get a consistent batter. And it gets smooth. Just beat it down till it gets smooth. And you can see how smooth this got there now. You'll see it sort of be like a pancake mix. About the consistency of pancakes. And then we got the star of the show, the Oreo cookie. Now you can use any Oreo cookie you want. I got double stuff. I like the double stuffed cookies, but you can use any cookie you want to. And so we'll meet you over here at the stove and show you how we're going to fry these up. Okay, we let our batter set for about 5 minutes while we warmed up our grease here in the pan. You just need enough oil in your pan just to so your Oreos can float. And all you do is just drop you an Oreo in your batter, flip it over, be sure it's coated good, pick it up, and I'm using a fork. And what you want to do, you want to drain the excess batter off your Oreo. And then just set it in your batter. Now you don't want to crowd your pan. Probably put 3 or 4 at a time in is all you want to put in. Just drain your excess batter. And then into the hot oil. You just need your Oreos to float. That's all you need. Now don't hit them against the side because you don't want to knock your batter off your Oreo because you sort of be defeating the purpose if you do that. And we're just going to cook them here in this oil. Probably 1 to 2 minutes on each side. We're going to put about 4 in there is what we're going to get in there. About 1 to 2 minutes on each side until they get golden brown. And then we're going to take them out. And that's all you have to cook them. It doesn't take long to cook them. You can tell when they start to get golden brown because you can sort of see on the side there whenever they start to get golden brown, and you just flip them over. And these things, this is my favorite thing at a carnival. Go to a festival or something, you see them for sale everywhere. They've taken carnivals and stuff by storm. And they're really easy to fix at home. Like I said, Chicken Charlie, he does these. He was the creator of these, and he also does the watermelon. I hadn't figured out the watermelon yet, but if I do, I'll show y'all how to do that. But the watermelon it sort of got me stumped a little bit right now. I'm gonna have to study on that a little bit. That and the butter. Now butter, I'm not sure I would want deep fried butter anyway, but you know, at any rate, they can't none of it compared to the deep fried Oreo. I love the deep fried Oreos, and I could eat a ton of these in by myself. But 1 mix of batter like we did here should do one pack of Oreo cookies. So you know the regular size. Now you get up into the family size, you know, the extra large pack, stuff like that. You may need more, but if you just get the regular pack of Oreo cookies, and like I said, you can use the golden, the birthday cake, whichever your flavor you like the best. Then you can one pack should do one mix of batter should do 1 pack of Oreo cookies. So this is, you don't have to worry about mixing up 3 or 4 big batches. Just do some of them, and they're just so good till it's just unreal. And then all you want to do, you want to have something where the grease and drain off, and you just want to put them over on a plate or on a wire rack or something, so the grease can sort of drain off of them. And don't those look good? Look at how good that looks right there. Tell you what, we're going to finish cooking up these Oreos, this pack of Oreos. We're going to finish cooking them up and stuff. I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me do one by one. And we're going to do them all just like we did that. And then we're going to come back and we're going to take a bite of one of them, let you know what it tastes like, and show you what it looks like on the inside. We'll be back then. One thing I wanted to be sure and tell you that I forgot to tell you is while they're warm, when you take them out, take you some confectioner's sugar and sprinkle on them real good. That'll really make them jump up a notch there, give them a good boost. I just wanted to show you that before we went on and finished the rest of it. Do it while it's warm, and that way it'll absorb in there and they'll be just scrumptious. We'll be back shortly. Okay, as you can see, we finished up all our deep fried Oreo cookies. And what we're going to do, we're going to take us a bite of one of them, because I'm going to tell you, I can't wait to get into these. I love these things, man. They are so delicious. If you ever go to the Carnival, get you some deep fried Oreo cookies, or either make you some at home. They are. Once you try them, you'll fall in love with them. Let me ask you though, now at this point, I hadn't done it yet. Give the video a thumbs up if you like what you've seen. Subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all of it. I don't know if I mentioned I had my oil at 375 degrees in my pan. But anyway, let's take a bite of one of these and see. They're hot yet, so just give me just a second. Man, if there was ever anything in this world that tastes better than a deep fried Oreo cookie, I don't know what it is. That is delicious. I really enjoy making them. I enjoy eating them. It's real simple. You can see what we use. Let's see, flour. We used about 3 or 4 ingredients is all it took to make them. And you can put these, once they cool all the way down, you can put them in a freezer bag. Set them up on your shelf. They'll be good, just like regular cookies, you don't have to put them in the freezer. You don't have to warm them back up. They're good cold. They're good warm. Don't forget to sprinkle the sugar on top of them, the confectionery sugar, because that really takes them up a notch there. Just, let them fry till they're golden brown. Takes about 1 to 2 minutes on each side if you got your oil at 375 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and wrap this up, because I can't wait to eat some more of these. And I don't want to sit here and put y'all through the torture of y'all having to watch me eat them, knowing how y'all's mouths watering out there in TV land, YouTube land, because grandson's over behind the camera. I can see his mouth watering from here. Anyway, we're going to wrap this up. We're going to get off here. Like I said, please like the video, share the video, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when we upload another one. And we'll see you then on the next one. We appreciate it.